Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add date of birth on Telegram app. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Telegram on your mobile device. Now once you are here, tap on the option of settings at the bottom right corner. Now once you come here, simply tap on the option of edit that you see on the top right corner of your screen. Now again, you'll see the option of date of birth. Simply tap on it. Now simply select the day. Here we go. Now select the month of your birthday as well. Now select your birth year. Here we go. Now simply tap on the option of done at the top right corner of your screen. Now again, in order to check your date of birth, just tap on edit at the top right corner again. Here we go. Now you can see that your date of birth on your Telegram account has successfully been added. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to add your date of birth on your Telegram app as well. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.